Hi, my name is Magda, and I'm going to show you how to make a baptism centerpiece for boys. This is going to be a very fun and easy project because you can use a lot of stuff from your house and you can do different centerpieces for each table. The materials that we're going to use are pictures or frames of pictures animals. We're going to use stuffed animals, and we are going to use white calla lilies. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to place the three pictures on the table in a different dimensions, one in the top of the other one. Put the picture frames in a way so they have a nice looking in the different levels. Then you're going to place the calla lilies, the bunch of calla lily, on the top of the last frame, and then you're going to put the stuffed animals around the frames and the flowers. And put the stuffed animal in a way that you think they're going to look cute. See, it was fun, it was easy, and this is a perfect arrangement for a baptism.